Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Android gallery for more space. Guys, first thing here to locate is to come down to the file, open your file. Under this, you come down to this 4 line here. You click on it, the 3 line. Under this 3 line, you will be able to see all this clean, trash. So you come down to the under trash here. You can see all these are no more useful. So you can select it and delete it for more space. Okay. For instance, now you can see all these apps that I've used for many months, about a month now. I've not been using them. So it's asking me to delete them. So to give more space. So I can select by, okay, I think I can select this, uninstall this one, and I can drive. Okay, let me select this. So for more space, I think I still need this. So you can see now this one is uninstalled, and then free more space. So under this place, under this one right now, you can select. You can also select the one that are no more useful. So you can see this one. So it will give you more space. Okay, so this one, okay, this one, and this one. So I will delete everything here. File will move to trash. So any file that move to trash, go there, go and delete it permanently. But any file you move to trash will spend 30 days before it will delete permanently. But let's assume you want to get more app, or you want to get more app on your phone, so you can go there to delete it permanently. Okay guys, so for instance now, if you come down to this trash here, this one has been deleted. Okay, so let's go back to the trash. Now by coming back to the trash, you can now see that now we have 1.0 GB here. So you can come down to the trash here to delete whatever you have moved to your trash, so that for more space, to create more space. You can see all this has been moved to the trash. So you can select all if you want, or if you want to reinstall it, you can still reinstall it back. But for me, I can see all this one now, let me see, it's no more useful to me. So I will check everything here all directly, and then I will delete everything. Delete. Wow, so everything has, I've cleaned my gallery right now. You can see under this here now, there's no more trash things, and I can have space to get more app or whatever I want to collect on my Android phone, guys. So this is exactly how to delete or to clean your gallery on Android. Okay, team, if you want more tips like this, kindly follow us on Facebook. Peace.